Do you enjoy checking the weather all around the world? Or have that trip plans and you want to know how the weather is going to be? But you spend all of your day in the command line interface terminal and you cannot access all the pretty graphical interface websites. Presenting WTTR.in, the website you can access with curl or any other text-based browser where you can check the weather anywhere you want, when you want, any place you want, directly on your command line. No need for the web browser to be running in the GUI. Just open your command prompt and, for example, use curl or whatever browser of your preference that is based on text mode, and you can just browse your weather. You can browse your local weather or any other cities. Just type / and the city of preference. For example, Madrid. For example, Madrid. Here's our weather in Madrid currently. Apparently, there are going to be some thunderstorms on the 23rd. So just open your browser of preference and, for example, the weather in Lisbon. Sunny all around. Or the weather in Porto is going to be sunny all around. Or the weather in Faro is going to be sunny all around. Well, with some, well, it's going to be raining. No need to be sad anymore. You can use our Linux terminal to browse the weather all around the world using WTTR.in. Just use your preferred text-based browser. I use curl for ease of use. Just browse the website WTTR.in. He will direct you to your closest location, but if you want to see the specific city weather for your travels or just because you have nothing better to do, you just type / and the city or type / help to get more tips about the usage of the website. It's great. So no excuses now. So you don't have any excuses to be out of date in your weather forecast just because you're looking all day to a text-based terminal. Just type, for example, curl WTTR.in for your closest location or curl WTTR.in / the city of preference or do you want to watch weather all about, and you can get all the information you need. Well, if you are that GUI warrior, you can also use your regular browser or even in the non-Linux desktop like Windows, for example, and you can also browse it in the text mode that we all love and like. I hope you find this useful. I hope you like this information. Let me know how it goes for you. Let me know any more tips and tricks. Like, subscribe, comment, it really helps. And I'll see you in the next one. I'm gonna have my coffee now. Today is Monday. Have a nice week.